Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tech. In this video I'll be talking about how to convert USDT to TOM on your Binance account. So if you want to convert your USDT to TOM on your Binance, first of all tap on the portfolio. The next thing you have to do is to select USDT on one of this balance, then tap on convert. So on converts, you have to allow it to boot. What you have to do now on to convert is to select the currency that you want to convert, which is USDT and TOM. So let's allow it to boot. Okay, now at the space for the second currency, you have to change it to TOM. Search for TOM. Search TOM. Now you can now enter the amount that you want to convert. If you wish to convert all the USDT you have on your Binance, tap on the marks there and convert all of your USDT to TOM. So you tap on trade, confirm it, and the transaction will take place. And after that, you can view your portfolio and see that you have TOM already credited with your TOM currency has been credited with TOM already. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video like this. I do videos on app related issues and how to solve your problems on app. So guys, I hope this video is helpful. Do well to like it. Thanks for watching.